Hi everyone, this is Hannah here. I wanted to go ahead and get started on those Prima lavender look-alike butterflies. I had mentioned in my last video that I went to Hobby Lobby and purchased a couple of these paper pads. And so I wanted to go ahead and open up one and get started and just kind of go through. Let's see here, like this. Saturday here, and right before Mother's Day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so my husband is out shopping, getting something for his mom, and I had already bought some gifts for my mom. So, alright, let's see here. What paper? I want to do one. I'm almost thinking about this. It is kind of hard to pick. Both of these are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers. But this one's plain. I like that. No wording. So I think I'm going to just tear out one of these. Because I'm doing, it's like you're making it into 3 layers. Let's see. I think I'm actually going to cut it in half and use the other side that's going to have like the wording. That'll be pretty neat. Yeah, because the other, yeah, we'll roll with that. Okay. So I think what fits in my Sizzix is maybe 6 inches wide. So let me just cut this down to 6. Oh, I forgot about this part. Cut off this trims. Now with these trims that I cut off of the paper, I actually reuse these. I make a lot of just different embellishments, like for junk journals. You could do it for scrapbook albums, you know, like little tiny embellishments. I mean, you know, there's just all kinds of different things that you can do. And then two, I will, you can use them for your scrapbooking layouts or mixed media layouts. You know how you just kind of layer paper and stack and crisscross paper. So that's an option there. Alright, so got my paper cut. Alright, let's see here. Get all my stuff here. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay. Alright, so I've got my Sizzix. This is the Hot Shot Big Kick, or I don't even know what it's called now. My husband got it for me years ago. Which was really sweet. You know, it's nice when your spouse supports you in what you do. It really makes it easier, you know, because there is a lot of time and effort and sacrifice that goes into it. So what I'm going to do, I had bought these at Hobby Lobby, regularly $12.99, got it for $3.24. I don't really even know why they, you know, put this stuff on clearance. I mean, I know why, but it's like, why would you do that? But it's great for us. Let's see if I can get it out. I wonder if it's taped on. I've literally never opened this. I even forgot that I had it. I'm telling you, I go through my stuff to try to get organized, and then I find, oh, that's what it is, it's all taped on here. And then I forget that I have this stuff, and I really don't even know how long I've had this. I ended up last year, I don't know if I had this before I went to the scrapbooking crop that they had here in the Woodlands at the Marriott, and I done forgot what it's called, Scrap Fest or something. In fact, I wanted to ask if anybody, I went to it last year. I waited till the last minute to sign up, and which registration started May 1st. I'm probably gonna do it maybe next week when I get paid. Go ahead and register and do the classes. I want to try to get in on the junk journal classes this year because they book up really fast. Okay, thinlits. All right, got this. Do this, and then it says then you put your die down. Okay. Okay. Then you put your die down, and then your paper. I guess it don't really matter. I wonder if I can do it with both sheets. I don't really know. We're going to try it and see. Alright, and then put this on top. Okay. Alright, so let's try this and see. So, but yeah, I'm super excited about doing it again this year because I really, really want to. Last year was so much fun. Last year I did the, it was some kind of a mixed, I don't know if that's, am I putting this in backwards? Alright, hold on, let me see something here. Maybe I'm putting it in backwards. Alright, let me try this way. Okay, there we go, I think. Boy, it really, well, you really got to put some muscle into it, don't you? It's been a while since I've used this. Man, hope I'm not tearing it up. Alright, so let's see if we got this thing figured out here. Moment of truth. Alright. Okay. Looks like it did it, I guess. Wow, how cool is that? I mean, man. Punches it right out of there. And see, you could even reuse this for whatever. It could be, use it as like a stencil, to draw your butterflies. You could do something like like a card or something. Just gonna kind of punch all these out of here. And I love this die. I'm telling you, I buy this stuff and then I finally get around to using it like a year or two later. So we'll punch all these out and these are all different sizes. I know with the Prima ones, those were all the same size. I think that's my timer going off on the oven. I was in the mood for a strawberry cake, so I made a strawberry cake from scratch with real strawberries. I am super excited. I don't know, I've been on a strawberry kick. I do not know what's going on, but I've just been on a strawberry kick. Alright, wow, this is awesome. These are so beautiful. Okay, so we got these cutted. Been hanging around my kids too much. It's sad. You start hanging around your kids so much that you just start saying the stuff they say. Heard it, cutted, falled. I falled down. So, alright, so I got my butterflies cut out. I'm going to go get my cake out of the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. We'll start up new whenever I get back to this. I do still also have to do the vellum, and I think I'm going to try to print something onto the vellum. I gotta see what the Prima butterflies had. I want to say it had a print on the vellum, so I'll just I'll get all of that worked out, and then we'll go through that on the next video. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this, and then we'll be back on the next one. Hi everyone, so I'm back where we left off. I had cut these out. This is the lavender cardstock, but my strawberry cake was done cooking in the oven, so had to go get that. That was Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. Today's Wednesday, so it's taken me a few days to get back to it. That's just kind of the normal. So anyway, I'm just kind of putting some of the pieces together. I like this. Has like the ledger paper. I like that. So thinking about doing that, because with the Prima butterflies, they got 2 layers of cardstock, and then you can always separate them, you know, and then you have your layer of vellum. So I just cut these vellum ones out, just using just some old scans of vintage music sheets. So let's see here. Trying to see how I got a smaller copy. I think that is a little bit smaller one. Okay, so I like this one, the way it's got it here. Okay, so I'm going to start gluing. Okay, so got that gluing. Alright, now we'll add the vellum. Okay. Alright, so now for the, I've got a couple of different things here, like for the little antennas. I don't have the black wire. I don't. I have some gold. I thought that would look really good. Let's see here. I thought that would look really good. Alright, let's see here. So I'm kind of getting my little antennas together. Since the paper has the gold accents in it, that's just kind of how we're going to roll with it. Okay, let's see here. Rolling it down here. See how that's looking? All right. flatten it out a little bit. Alright, so let's take a look here. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. So I'm going to add some glue. Let's see, get my glossy accents. I like using the glossy accents, especially with metal pieces. It really works good. Alright, let's see here. Just kind of hold it down for a second. Alright, and I'm trying to think, I think actually the mulberry paper is going to go good because it'll kind of adhere better over the little gold, the end of the gold piece there. So let me just kind of cut out a little piece here. I like mulberry paper, I like working with it. Alright, I'm just going to kind of cut out a little piece. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, we'll go ahead and glue that, and then I'll just cut the excess off. I hope I'm staying in camera. I'm bad about getting out of camera. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get better at it. Alright, let's see here. It's got a little excess hanging. Just going to kind of cut that off here. Okay, and there you go. You got your butterfly. I think it looks so great. And I'm going to leave this like it is because I'm making these for a customer as part of what's going to go inside a kit. Showing you how you can make these butterflies. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And I hope this inspires you to to make an embellishment to go with, using up a collection that maybe you can't get, these butterflies anywhere. You can make your own. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.